Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, more sales, and more reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Ambit energy business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets, rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, all facts. Saving the number one bonus for the very end. Stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you the exact simple 3-step strategy that I used to hit the leaderboards for recruiting and to hit the leaderboards for sales with another company. I'm going to show you how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted leads to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. And this way, you could get highly qualified and targeted leads of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you could start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint, my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who've already accomplished what you want to accomplish, looking at what they've done, and creating updated content going after the same keywords. You're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy to do this. This tool allows you to go to the video you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. These tags are the keywords that you're going to use to rank on YouTube and Google to get more traffic to what you have to offer. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrases, and your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. Your description should be about 300 words long and scatter your keywords throughout this description. Place your link at the top of the description. Create a thumbnail using canva.com and save your thumbnail as your primary keyword. Here's some quick tips. Do not reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat. Copy the right cat. You don't want to copy word for word exactly verbatim what somebody said, but you want to create similar content that's 3 to 5 minutes long going after the same keywords. Use open broadcast system to share your screen and save your video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. You want to find out exactly where the like-minded people are hanging out, and in this case, you're looking for like-minded network marketers. And you want to reach out to them with a good first message. Hey, Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I noticed the comments that you've been making on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. I think we have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, and I would love to connect. Great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? As you build your audience, you want to engage with people on your timeline. You can do this by asking a question, fill in the blank, I love my blank, quotes. You could post a picture, engaging quotes, and a blog post. You want to make 5 to 10 connections per day. The Robert Kiyosaki and Tony Robbins fan pages are good groups to do that in. Be consistent. People will get to know you from your comments and comment on others' posts and be social. Your mindset should be around making connections and not closing people. You don't want to be in there as the person that's trying to pitch people. You want to post curiosity and not resistance. So 90% personal and 10% about your business. The 10% about your business can be the results of people on your team or your own results. 90% personal, you want to keep those as pictures of yourself, pictures of you hanging out at the beach, pictures of food, inspirational quotes, those kind of things. And give people the opportunity to go to your blog. A good curiosity post is going to lead people to want more information. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. Somebody may reach out to you and say, hey, what's that green powder all about? And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day. Some people even sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at them all, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this. I'll see you on the other side.